Hello everyone and welcome to another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. We've just been to this really big fair in Denmark, in Kolding, called the Fliegenfischen Festival, where we met a ton of good guys, probably some of you as well. It was awesome, but that also means that I have a lot of really good prices for you on some very attractive products. The first thing I want to show you are these. These are rooster capes from Futurefly. Well, actually, they are from Whiting, but Futurefly has simply just bought a lot of these and then added their own brand to these. These are marked down to half price. These will never get as cheap as this. There are some absolutely amazing colors, some salmon pink, grizzly salmon pink, a grizzly copper olive, and the copper olive here is a color you rarely see. It's one of the coolest colors for all your streamers and all your salmon flies as well. Really nice colors. Some olive, some badger olive and badger yellow as well. Some hot pink and stuff. I think there's 12 different colors of these. And the price is, as I said, half price. I can't recall exactly how much that is in euros, but you can see that on the link underneath here, or simply just go to Nordic Anglers. But these are amazing quality rooster capes at a sharp discounted price. 50% off of this perfect product. And if you look into the tariff that's probably going to be there from USA, and also we're probably looking into some scarcity with the bird flu and stuff. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know that these will never be as cheap as they are now. So if you're in need of rooster capes, then definitely now is the time to buy some of these at Nordic Anglers. The next thing I want to show you are these. These are also the new color of Easy Shrimp Eyes. They've released these on the fair this weekend, and there is a transparent, ultra fluorescent orange one, which is awesome for all your shrimps and all your salmon flies in particular. And then for the people out there who want something that is a little more subtle, then there is this sandstone beige, which is also a pretty cool color. But especially in particular, this orange one is really nice. I'm going to use that a lot for a lot of my sea trout flies. Also, I have some very big Keough soft hackle patches. These are for all your soft hackle flies, for salmon flies, for sea trout flies, all that sort of thing. I have a few left in a few pretty cool colors. Some grizzlies and some straight colors as well. These are marked down by almost 2/3. So there is about 60% discount on these, because basically it's not a product that I can ever get again, and I have just a few left. But again, so if you're looking for feathers, then Nordic Anglers is the way to go just now, because we have just a ton of cool stuff on sale. Also in the shop, I caught I didn't catch the pike in the shop, but in the shop I have some really amazing bundle product with a lot of soft flash here. You get 10 bundles for what is approximately 14 euros or something like that. 10 really cool colors to make all your flash flies, or even your flash wing salmon flies. This is some really bargain, and this is probably the best selling product I have right now. The 10 different colors of this flash here for 14 euros. Also, just on a personal level, I'm going fishing all weekend for sea trout on the coast, because it's prime time, it's peak season, and of course I'm going to do a lot of filming there as well. I hope to post some of that here in English on the English channel. Otherwise, you can see it on the Danish channel with subtitles. I'm gonna show the guys who from the shop that uses spinning gear how it's done. I hope that's gonna be the case, at least, that I can show them exactly how to do the sea trout game. Otherwise, there's a ton of other different items on sale at the shop right now. So you should definitely swing by and and see all of that. Oh, and I almost forgot. I bought some Futurefly zonker flies that are marked down by 50%. Or if you buy a package with 8 flies, two of each in 4 different colors, then you get them at an even better price. These have real jungle cock on them. So I'm not able to sell these to Norway. I'm not able to sell these to the UK, but the rest of Europe is a go. And I mean, the qualities of these flies are just amazing. They're tied on the Futurefly system, and they are just perfect for the Danish sheet trout fishing and salmon fishing, but also for the rest of Scandinavia and Iceland as well. Zonker flies with opossum zonker, made completely perfectly on Futurefly materials with of course real jungle cock. So if you're in Norway, you can't buy these. If you're in the UK, you can't buy these, but all countries in the EU can. I think that about sums it up. I'm really looking forward to this weekend with 3 days of nothing but fishing. That's gonna be awesome. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos, and of course, if you like any of the things you saw here, swing by Nordic Anglers to get some. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, good luck out on the water.